Democracy that promises freedom of expression. Can an ordinary girl not share her thoughts on social media? This is the story of a young girl whose heartfelt words spark controversy, leading to a case that challenges her right to speak. Witness a trial that questions not just one girl's voice, but the very spirit of freedom in our nation.
All rise. The Honorable Court of Sakshan Global is now in session. The case is between Mishka and the Society of Duties. Please be seated. Good morning. This court is now in session. Before we begin, this court let remember, justice is not about punishment alone. It's about morals, balance and truth. Today we shall ask if rights exist without duties. Petitioner's lawyer, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. I stand here to defend the second right to free expression. Mishka exercised this right. She expressed, she shared, she spoke. She did not incite violence, she did not intend harm. She simply used her voice as guaranteed as permitted by our Constitution.
Your Honor, Article 19(1)(a) of our Constitution grants the right to freedom of speech and expression. It is the beating heart of our democracy. Without the right, we the people are nothing but silent observers in our own country.
Your Honor, rights and duties are like two wheels of a carrot. Yes, Mishka spoke, but she spoke without checking facts. Freedom doesn't mean freedom to harm society.
Our fundamental duties under Article 51(a) remind us to act with responsibility, to promote harmony, to respect others, and to uphold the integrity of our nation. Freedom without duty is dangerous.
Court clerk, call the petitioner Mishka to the witness stand. Calling the petitioner Mishka on the stand.
Mishka Hazir Ho!
Your Honor, I never meant to hurt anyone. I just your what I felt. Everywhere I looked people, they were silent. I thought I should speak. Everyone says I created chaos. Am I so wrong for want to raise my voice for sharing my truth? If a young person like me is silent this way, then what future does freedom have?
We understand your pain, Mishka, but intention and impact are different. Your words do not even lead to panic.
Petitioner's lawyer.
The respondent is moralizing, not questioning.
Overruled. Let the truth surface with care.
Then let's hear from our witness.
Witness, please present yourself.
Yes, sir. The post caused fear. People panicked, market was shut down, and chaos followed. While rights used carelessly can harm society. But no, Mishka's intention was to inform, but the fact weren't verified. It shows that while we enjoy our rights, we must have to perform our duties to be a responsible citizen. So you say one emotional post makes a girl a threat? Your Honor, if that's our standard, every voice will be silenced. If he doesn't get the freedom, every lie will be celebrated as truth. You are blaming emotion as a crime. You are telling
In the courtroom. This courtroom demands respect and reasons, not shouting or test. Petitioner lawyer, you may begin with your last words.
Your Honor, without rights, we became slaves to silence. Yes, my client erred, but one mistake can silence my client voice. Your Honor, if he doesn't get freedom, we become slaves to chaos. A nation can only thrive when freedom works with duties.
Rights give us voice.
Duties gives voice direction.
So, this court has heard the arguments, felt the emotion, and witnessed the truth. Mishka, your tears are not your weakness, but the reflection of today's society. To every citizen, this court says, rights and duties are not enemies, they are twins. One breathes and the other keeps the heart beating. Let us build a nation where freedom shines and duty grounds it. This court is adjourned. Everybody, please repeat after me. All rise. We the people.
We the people.
Where freedom speaks.
Where freedom speaks.
And duty demands.
And duty demands.